Good morning, MPPNs. Now, shall we learn something? Okay, we are going to learn science. You are ready to learn? Okay, very good. You are good students. What are we going to learn in science? We will learn chapter 3. The name of the chapter is Keeping Clean and Fit. What is the name of the chapter? Keeping clean and fit. How can we maintain ourselves fit and clean? This is the chapter about. We are starting now. Keeping clean. We have to keep ourselves clean. Keeping clean and fit is important for all of us. We must keep ourselves clean and fit, and it is very important for us. We must keep our body and surroundings clean. Our body should be clean and our surroundings also should be clean. To keep fit, we must eat fresh and healthy food. Okay, we can clean our surroundings, we can clean our body, and how can we fit? We can be fit by eating fresh and healthy food. What should we do? We should eat fresh food and healthy food. We must take rest, exercise, and play. If we do these two things, we can be fit. How can we be fit? We can be fit by eating fresh and healthy food and taking rest, exercise, and play. Okay. So this is the lesson about. We are moving to the first topic, keeping clean. Let us see how can we keep ourselves clean. Keeping clean is a good habit. Keeping clean is a good habit. We must keep our body clean for good health. I told you no, to have a good health, what should you do? You should keep your body clean. So what to do to keep your body clean? After toilet, wash your hands with soap and water. This is the first rule. You should wash your hands with soap and water after toilet. Then you should wash your face. You should clean your nose and ears, and you should dry it with a towel. You should wash your face and you should clean your nose and ears. You should dry it with a towel. Okay, see this picture. Here, these children are keeping their body clean. How are they doing? They are washing the hands, cleaning the nose, cleaning the face, okay, and dry the hair and the face with a towel. This is the way by which we can keep ourselves clean. Okay. Now we will see the different body parts cleaning. First of all, we will see how do we keep our mouth clean. There are some ways to keep our mouth clean. Okay. First of all, let us see why should we keep our mouth clean? Is it necessary to clean your mouth? Yes. Why? Because when we eat food or sweets, small bits get stuck between our teeth and this can spoil our teeth. You eat food, you eat sweets, fruits. Whenever you eat these things, whenever you take your food, what happens? Very small bits of those food get stuck between our teeth, and that small bit can spoil your teeth. Your teeth will be spoiled. So what should you do? You should brush your teeth with paste. How many times you should brush your teeth? 2 times. You should brush twice in a day. When to brush your teeth? In the morning and at night before you go to bed. Okay, then what should you do? You should keep your tongue clean by a tongue cleaner. Whenever you brush your teeth, you should keep your tongue also clean, otherwise, a foul smell will be there. Then, afterwards, what should you do? You should gargle to clean your mouth. Okay, I'll show you the photos. What is this girl doing? She is brushing her teeth. Is it? Okay, she uses paste for that. Then what is the boy doing? He is keeping his tongue clean. What is he doing? Using for that? Tongue cleaner. Then what is this boy doing? He is gargling. Okay, he is gargling his mouth with clean water. So thus you can keep your mouth clean. Okay, now we are moving to C, to keep your nail clean. Why should we keep your nail clean? Do you know? Look here, nails have dirt in them. Why should we keep our nail clean? Because our nails may be dirty. This dirt passes into the body with food, and this dirt in your nail, inside your nail, that dirt also goes into your body while you eat your food. Okay, so what should you do? You must cut the dirty nail by a nail cutter. How can you keep your nail clean? You should cut your nail by a nail cutter. The dirty nail should be cut with a nail cutter. See, this boy is cutting his nail. It is a good habit. Okay, moving to the next one. What is that? We must keep our body clean. How can we keep our body clean, and why should we keep our body clean? Let us see. Our body gets dirty and dusty from the air. We go outside in the market or in school or somewhere else, and our body gets dirty and dusty. What should you do then? You should take a good bath. A good bath cleans your body. And when to take bath? Daily you should take bath. And while you take bath, you should use soap and water so that dirt and dust can be washed away. While you use the soap, rub your body, then wash it with water, then use a clean towel. See this photo? What is the boy doing? He is taking bath. And how is he taking bath? He is using water, soap, and there is a towel also. Thus we can keep our body clean. Okay. Then after cleaning the body, what should we do? We should wear clean and pressed clothes. What should we do after cleaning our body, after taking bath? We should wear clean and pressed clothes. Our clothes should be neat and clean, and it should be pressed, it should be ironed properly. Then afterwards what should you do? You should comb your hair properly. Your hair should be combed properly. Then keep your hair neatly trimmed. Trimmed means it should be cut on time. Okay, see the photo. What is the boy doing? He is ironing his cloth. But take care, you will not press your clothes. Tell your parents. Okay. Then what is this boy doing? He is combing his hair. These are the different ways by which we can keep our body clean. Okay, there are some more things. What are they? Let us see. Wash your hands before and after eating. What should you do? You should wash your hands before and after eat the food. Eat very slowly and chew well. While you eat, how to eat? You should eat slowly. I know that you eat very slowly. And take care that you should chew your food well. And yes, your food should be eaten in small bites. You should eat small bites of food. You should not take the whole chapati as a whole into your mouth. You break the chapati into small bites, then take it. Okay, this is what a good habit. Now see the photo. How is this boy eating? He is eating in small bites. Is it? Yeah, the whole chapati he is having in his mouth. No, he is eating in small bites. Okay, this is what a good habit. Now we will see some more ways. What are they? Use your own plate and glass to eat and drink. What to do? You should have your own plate and glass to eat the food and to drink water. Next one, do not lick your fingers. We have a habit that after eating, what do? We lick our fingers. But that is a bad habit. We should not do it. Okay. Now see the photos. Your own plate, knife, fork, etc. Then what is that lady doing? She is licking her finger. Should you do it? No, you should not do in this way. Now we can clean the surroundings. The area around us should be neat and clean. How can we do it? Have a look here. Flush the toilet after use. What should you do? After the use, you should flush the toilet. Then don't spit everywhere. You should not spit everywhere. Then you should use the dustbin to throw the waste. You should use a hanky when you sneeze. Whenever you sneeze, what should you do? You should use a hanky. I'll show you some pictures. What is the boy doing? He is spitting in the open. Is it good? No, it should not be done. Second one, what is that person doing? He is throwing the waste in the dustbin. Is it a good habit or not? Yes. Should you do it? Yes, you should throw the waste in the dustbin. Third one, what is she doing? She is using a hanky when she is sneezing. Is it good or bad? It is good. So you must follow all these things. Okay. Thus you can keep the surroundings also clean. Shall we learn something more? Okay. Now we will learn about keeping fit. Now this much were the topics we covered, in which I told you that what are the different ways by which we can keep ourselves clean. Now we will see how can we keep ourselves fit. Okay, what to do? We need to take rest. We need to take rest, do exercise and play. It will keep us fit and healthy. How can we be healthy? We can be healthy by taking rest, by doing exercise and by playing. Okay. What is she doing? She is taking rest. Then what are these pictures? These are different postures of exercise. These children are doing exercise. Okay. Then what are these two boys doing? They are playing. So this rest, play and exercise, these things can keep your body fit. Okay. What is rest and sleep? Have a look here. All day long we work or play, we get tired, we need rest. You work or you play, you study, you travel, after the whole day you get tired. So that time you need to take rest. You should sleep 8 hours every night. How much time you should sleep? You should sleep 8 hours, near about 8 hours. You should sleep at night. Okay. And before going to the bed, brush your teeth. I told you, you should brush your teeth twice. When to do it? In the morning and before you go to the bed. And one more thing is very important. You should not cover your face while sleeping. You should not cover your face while sleeping. Okay. See the photo. What is the boy doing? Sleeping. He is taking rest and he is sleeping. And he did not cover his face. Is it? Yes, you also should sleep in this way. This is a good habit. Right? Okay, now moving to some more practices of rest and sleep. Keep the windows open. Our room should get proper air. For that, you should keep your windows open and go to bed early and get up early. You might have heard the rhyme, early to bed, right? Okay, that is very right. You should sleep early and you should get up early. Sleep gives rest to your body. Why do you sleep at night? Because sleep gives rest to your body and rest rebuilds our body. If we don't take rest, we will always feel tired, we will not have energy. So, what should you do? You should take rest. How can you take rest? By sleeping. How much time you should sleep? You should sleep at least 8 hours. Okay. So some photos are here. What is the photo again? The boy is sleeping at night and his window is open. Clear now? Okay, good. Now we will learn about exercise. What is exercise and why it is important? Let us see. Get up early in the morning. Be fresh and brush your teeth. Always breathe through your nose. You should breathe through your nose. Don't breathe through your mouth. Okay, and do some exercises also. Take care. You should get up early in the morning. Then you will brush your teeth. Then you should take the breath through your nose. Then what should you do after getting up and after brushing? You should do some exercises. See the photo. What are the people doing? They are doing some exercises. These exercises keep our body fit. Okay. Now we will learn more about the exercises. Exercise keeps your body fit and strong. Running or walking is also a good exercise. So there are different types of exercises. It can be running or it can be walking. Correct posture keeps us fit. Whenever we run or walk or play or sit or work, take care that you should have a correct posture. This correct posture keeps you fit. See the photo, what is the boy doing? He is studying, he is reading. And how is he sitting? He is sitting straight, he is having a correct posture. What is the girl doing? She is walking. And how she is walking? Her back is straight, she has a good posture. And the third girl, what she is doing? She is standing. And how is she standing? She is standing straight. This is what the posture. Okay, now we will learn about play. Playing is also important, I told you. Let us learn more about playing. We will learn about playing. We should play outdoors every day. Okay, you should go to your friends in the colony or somewhere or in the ground To play. Daily you should play outdoors. Playing makes us fresh. Why should you play outdoors? Because this outdoor playing makes you fresh and it will keep you fit and healthy. Playing can keep you fit and healthy. Okay, see the photo. What are these children doing? They have gone out and they are playing in the good environment. They are getting energy. They will keep themselves fit and healthy. Okay, we have learned a lot about exercise and play now. Now we will learn about good habits. There are some other good habits also. Let us see what are they. First one, do not bite your nails. You should not bite your nails. Next one, do not write on the walls. We should not write on the walls. I think there are some students who write on the walls. You should not do it. That is not a good habit. That is a bad habit. Okay. Third one, close the tap after use. After using, what should you do? You should close the tap. Okay. Then keep your things in a proper place. Your all the things should be in the proper place. Don't put it here and there. The next one is brush your teeth twice a day. You should brush your teeth twice a day. These all are good habits. Okay, you must learn these good habits and you must follow them. Clear? Okay. Some photos you can see now. This boy is biting the nail. That is a bad habit. You will not do it. Then, what is this boy doing? He is writing on the walls. Is it a good habit? No, you should not write on the walls. What is this girl doing? She is closing the tap after the use. Is it a good habit? Yes, you must follow this. Next one. What is that girl doing? She is keeping the books in proper place. Is it a good habit or bad habit? Good habit. This girl, what is she doing? She is brushing the teeth. Good habit or bad habit? Good habit. So you must follow all these good habits. Okay. Now we will have revision because the chapter has been over. What did we learn? We learned that we should keep our mouth clean. We should keep our nail also clean. And we should keep our body, the whole body should be clean. We should rest and play. We should do exercises to keep us fit and healthy. We should play. We should follow the good habits. What are the good habits? Do not bite your nails. Do not write on the walls. Close the tap after use. Keep your things at proper place after using them. In this way, there are many of the good habits. You should brush your teeth daily. Okay, these good habits should be followed. So the lesson has been over. We will meet again tomorrow. Till the time, take care of yourself. Bye.